Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge is heading to Bengaluru.
5 years. I wish him all the best. We will all work with him.
ಸರ್ ಯಾರೇ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರು ಮಾತು ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಸರ್, ಆಡಿದ ಮಾತು.
ನೋಡಪ್ಪ, ನಮ್ಮ ಚೀಫ್ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಅವರದ್ದು ವಿಚಾರಧಾರೆನ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾನು ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾನೇನು ಮಾತಾಡಕ್ ಹೋಗುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅವರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನಾನುಂಟು ಹೈಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಉಂಟು, ಹೈಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೋ ಕೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ, ಅವರು ಹೇಳಿದೀವಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಬದ್ಧರಾಗಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಅದು ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಒನ್ ಥಿಂಗ್, all are eligible to go and meet their leaders. You can't stop them. You can't tell them no, because so many are going with ministers. Some of them are going with chief minister. Who stopped them? No one has stopped them. No one has commented them.
ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಮಿಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಡಿನ್ನರ್ ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಸರ್ ನಿನ್ನೆನೂ. ಅವರು ಕೆಲವರು ಶಾಸಕರು ಡೆಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಡಿನ್ನರ್ ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ವಾಟ್ ಮೆಸೇಜ್
I don't know what dinner, what is that, I don't know. I am not aware of the dinner. Dinner is going on. They wanted to make a new PCC president, 4-5 deputy CMs. All meetings are going on last 2.5 years. It is nothing new. Let they make more meetings.
Very interesting reaction coming in from the Karnataka Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar, who says there are multiple meetings taking place. They want to change the KPCC president and they want many deputy chief ministers. All of it is welcome. Final decision will be taken by the High Command. Nyamika joining us on the broadcast with the details. Nyamika, a lot of activity taking place, but how can one view Mallikarjun Kharge visiting Bengaluru amid the MLAs of the DK's camp being in the national capital?
Well, it seems like an indication has also been given to the MLAs from the Karnataka Congress, as they are also trying to meet the party high command here in the national capital to give out a political messaging. They are also trying to give show of strength message to the party high command, but now the party high command also hasn't given any kind of appointment. As if we talk about KC Venugopal, who is the general secretary organization, he hasn't given any appointment to these Karnataka Congress MLAs. Some of them have met Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge. However, in the yesterday's meeting also, we have we got to know from the sources within the Congress party that there was no prior appointment which has been given to all of these Karnataka MLAs. They held a very brief conversation with the Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge regarding the cabinet reshuffle. They are basically demanding and trying to also secure their own seat in the cabinet, as there are some talks which are currently going on in the state for filling the vacancy within the cabinet, as well as some changes in the ministerial berth as well. So for that reason, now they are trying to give out this message to the party high command that they also want their seats to be secured. However, on the other side, if we talk about the chief ministerial position in particular, then there is no such indication which has been given by the party high command for the change of guard in particular, and that is the only reason why the Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge has also left for Bangalore at this point in time, when many of the Karnataka Congress MLAs have started arriving here in the national capital with the hope that they will also be able to meet the party president and to discuss all of these issues which are currently going on in the state, the political things which are currently underway. As we talk about Bangalore also, then we have seen that how the camp MLAs of Siddaramaiah, they are also having a separate meeting at his residence. On the other side, the supporters of D.K. Shivkumar, the MLAs, have also arrived here and camping in the national capital. So clearly, this is basically a show of strength from both of these sides. However, the party high command had also given clear instructions to the Chief Minister Siddaramaiah as well in the last meeting that whatever decision is going to be taken, that will be taken after the D.K. Shivkumar will be taken into confidence.
Okay, but Nyamika, what is the High Command going to decide? Now, the indications from both Siddaramaiah as well as D.K. Shivkumar seems to be that it is the High Command that will decide what to do next. But what is the decision of the High Command? Recently, when Siddaramaiah was in the national capital, he met Rahul Gandhi. D.K. Shivkumar was in the national capital. He didn't meet Rahul Gandhi. And now you have the MLAs backing D.K. Shivkumar, who are in the national capital, but Mallikarjun Kharge himself is leaving for Bengaluru. Will this be seen as a snub, and is there any indication from the High Command that they will be stepping in to resolve this crisis?
Oh, well, yes, indeed, and that is the only reason why there was a separate meeting which had been done by the Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge with the Chief Minister Siddaramaiah to discuss all of these issues. And as per the sources, it is being told to us that there is a very less possibility of the change of guard. It is not being indicated by the party high command at all. However, the cabinet reshuffle is on the cards, and that is the only reason why Rahul Gandhi had also given a green signal to the Chief Minister Siddaramaiah, after which he held a meeting with the party president Mallikarjun Kharge, in which it was being stated that firstly, all of these leaders within the Karnataka Congress, they will be also consulted before making any final decision regarding this entire matter. However, it is also being told to us that there is a high possibility of the PCC president change in the state of Karnataka. It might be possible that DK Shivkumar will have to step down from that particular position because his tenure has also been over, and that is the only reason why this discussion is also taking place. However, firstly, the major focus in the state of Karnataka is upon the cabinet reshuffle. However, now because of the parliament session is coming in, it will be really interesting to see that how it is going to pan out, whether any time will be given to the Chief Minister and the Deputy Chief Minister by the party high command to discuss all of these things. Because Siddaramaiah was also being told by Mallikarjun Kharge that there will be several other rounds of
in my blood. All 140 MLAs are my MLAs. My MLAs. Honorable Chief Minister decided they will reshuffle the government. He will reshuffle the government and cabinet. So all of them are interested that they wanted to become ministers. It is quite natural they will go and meet the leaders of the Delhi. It is quite natural they will go out of the Delhi to meet leaders in the Delhi. Apart from that, what I can say, they have every right. I have not taken anyone. Some of them went and met Kharge Sahab. Along with Chief Minister also, they went in the plane, some of them. What is wrong? They are going, it is their life, whether no one has called them, but voluntarily they are going and showing their faces. They wanted to show their presence that they are in the forefront and they can do work in their own responsibility.
So you heard what DK Shivkumar said. He said that cabinet reshuffle is on the cards and the MLAs are meeting the Congress president. So what's wrong if they meet the Congress president? Nothing wrong with it. Niyamika, if we contrast this with what the Chief Minister has said, interestingly, while DK Shivkumar says that the MLAs have every right to talk to Mallikarjun Kharge about whatever they want in the government, Chief Minister Siddaramaiah seemed to be dismissing it completely, going on to say that they've been making these claims that there will be CM change. Did that ever happen? Only High Command will decide. All right, we'll go back to Niyamika in just a moment, but contrast these two reactions. On one hand, the Karnataka Deputy Chief Minister DK Shivkumar, who says that the MLAs have gone to the national capital out of their own will. They want to speak about developments in Karnataka. Siddaramaiah dismissing this entire hustle and going on to say that there is nothing new in it. We've seen such efforts take place previously as well over the last 2.5 years. These claims have been made from the other side, but nothing has happened. He didn't really name DK Shivkumar, but he went on to say that they've been making these claims for a long time now, but there has been no change whatsoever. So he seemed to be dismissing it all along while also putting out a show of strength, because there were MLAs who arrived at his residence early in the morning in a clear indication that they back the Chief Minister.
ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಯಾವ ಬಣ್ಣನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ಯಾವ ಬಣ್ಣದ ನಾಯಕನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು 140 MLAಗಳಿಗೂ ಶಾಸಕ, ಇದು ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷ. ನನಗೆ 140 ಜನನು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ನಾನು ಯಾವ ಗುಂಪನ್ನು ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಕ್ಕೆ ನಂಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಗುಂಪು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೂ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಡೂ ದಟ್. ಅದು ನನ್ನ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಎ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ದೇರ್ ಇನ್ ಮೈ ಬ್ಲಡ್. All 140 MLAs are my MLAs. My MLAs. Honorable Chief Minister decided they will reshuffle the government. He will reshuffle the government and cabinet. So all of them are interested that they wanted to become ministers. It is quite natural they will go and meet the leaders of the Delhi. It is quite natural they will go out of the Delhi to meet leaders in the Delhi. Apart from that, what I can say, they have every right. I have not taken anyone. Some of them went and met Kharge Saab. Along with Chief Minister also they went in the plane, some of them. What is wrong? They are going, it is there like whether no one has called them, but voluntarily they are going and showing their faces. They wanted to show their presence that they are in the forefront and they can do work and they want responsibility. All 140 members are eligible to become minister, chief minister, everything they can become. Now no question is there. Honorable Chief Minister is there. He said that he will come to complete 5 years. I wish him all the best. We will all work with him. ನೋಡಪ್ಪ, ನಮ್ಮ ಚೀಫ್ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟ್ರು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ವಿಚಾರಧಾರೆನ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾನು ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾನೇನು ಮಾತಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅವರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನಾನುಂಟು ಹೈಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಉಂಟು, ಹೈಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೋ ಕೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಅವರು ಹೇಳಿದೀವಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಬದ್ಧರಾಗಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಅದು ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಒನ್ ಥಿಂಗ್, ಆಲ್ ಆರ್ ಎಲಿಜಿಬಲ್ ಟು ಗೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಮೀಟ್ their leaders. You can't stop them. You can't tell them no, because so many are going with ministers. Some of them are going with chief minister. Who stopped them? No one has stopped them. No one has commanded them.
ಡಿನ್ನರ್ ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಸರ್ ನಿನ್ನೆ. ಅವರು ಕೆಲವರು ಶಾಸಕರು ಡೆಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಡಿನ್ನರ್ ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ವಾಟ್ ಮೆಸೇಜ್
I don't know what dinner, what is that, I don't know. I am not aware of the dinner. Dinner is going on. They wanted to make a new PCC president, 4-5 deputy CMs. All meetings are going on last 2.5 years. It is nothing new. Let they make more meetings.
Curious statements by the Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar, going on to say that Siddaramaiah says that he will continue for the entire 5-year tenure. I wish him all the best. So, Imran, what does D.K. Shivkumar indicate? He goes on to give his best wishes to Siddaramaiah at a time when MLAs backing him are in Delhi, hoping that he becomes